Hi, welcome to the Small Shed. This week I want to build a charging station for the batteries for both the cameras and the Ryobi One tools. I'm going to put that on the wall in the shed. See you in a minute. Now this is something I've been meaning to do for weeks now. I've got loads of chargers that hang off the wall in wall sockets suspended by the plug, and then whenever I want to actually use a battery I find it's flat anyway, and there's no logical means of plugging them in anywhere. So what I want to do is do a dedicated little charging station that will go on the wall. It gets some more junk off the benches. At the moment there are chargers lying in boxes all over the place. The other problem we have in here is obviously it's an environment that gets a lot of dust in it, so I'm aiming to try and keep the actual chargers themselves relatively dust free, particularly while they're actually charging. So let's have a look and see what we've raided from the scrap box and see what we can find. So what I'm intending to use, I've got my Ryobi One battery charger, which is fine. It will need something to protect the inside of it from dust and dirt. I've raided a load of watch boxes from the local recycling resource place. I've got some big ones, but they are really not quite suitable. Similarly, I got these nice they're Armani Exchange watches. The boxes are acrylic, and the only real problem with them is that they've got advertising on them, but we can soon sort that out. They come with an insert which I'd taken out on 2 or 3 of them, but I'm intending to replicate something like that, very much like that anyway, and I can lose the top advertising with my own branding. And the intention is to put the battery chargers that I need most inside these, with the outlets sticking up through the back. That one is for my main camera, that's the Canon that I use most of the time. And these two are for the 2 different GoPros. They're a slightly different charger, and so what I want to do is put those into the box like that with the surround, and then they'll sit on the wall, and when you want to charge just pull that up, put the battery in, shut it down, everything's clear, free of dust, and you don't get all the rubbish that gets into these things in the normal course of events. The only other thing I've got to do is mount these on some sort of a board. As I say, wire them all into a junction box or something to keep all the power safe. And then I've got to solve the problem of dust getting into the Ryobi, because when it's up on the wall vertically again, this will just get full of dust and rubbish. I've raided some of the scrap plywood that I've got, so what I'm thinking is, I think it'll fit on the wall, yeah, about right there. So I'll put 3 of these together at the bottom, screw them through onto the board, and then I'll put the other charger there, and we're then not having to route around in tool bags to find a charger or find the right one because they all look different. I can put these, then mark them up with what they are. We'll start by just basically screwing the boxes onto the backboard, I think. First job is to identify where the power cable will come out back of the charger, and then just drill a hole in the casing. it. The Ryobi charger, which I was going to put on sideways on and cut the whole panel down, I think now I'm going to put it upright, and then I'll put a junction box here to take all the wiring into. But what that will give me is a little bit of spare space should I ever get to the point where I want to put another charger in.
A woman's voice yelled at him above the hubbub. Jonathan made out the queenly form of Madame Latuli, the proprietress, standing behind her. One paper, a social insurance number, proof of Canadian citizenship, and that if that is claimed. By then, Madame Latuli had pushed the button for her husband. He was a first-generation immigrant with a cherub's face and a broad, blank forehead. Yvonne is our family genius, n'est-ce pas, ma chère? She has launched itself from the printer. Yvonne was looking at him, and he said he was struggling to make him more. He would jet on a downward slope. By the time she opened the cupboard door, he knew that for all her outdoor manners, she had a woman's walk. While her mother chattered, Yvonne held first the white jacket against her, then the elastic-topped white trousers.
That's it, I'll leave it to dry, denib it and give it a second coat, and we're ready to finally mount everything up on it. Now I've given that a couple of coats of paint, that's more or less ready to go. Decided that rather than having lots of wires hanging around on the top surface that'll look a mess, because this thing stands off the wall very slightly because of the slat wall brackets, that I can take the wires behind and run them up to the junction box and then pop them back up there and feed them into there, and that'll keep all the wiring tidy. And I've also decided that the little Guild set of drills that I've got, I'm going to use that charger as well. I was going to leave it because I sometimes take that out and about with me, but because I've got about 5 or 6 batteries for it, it's unlikely I'm going to take the charger with me, or that I need the charger with me. So I'm going to put that there, which should just about all fit together nicely. And then we can just wire the plugs in and we're done. So there we have it. When it's in use, it can be all run off a single plug. When I don't want it to be used, I can just flip it off at the socket, and it means that I've always got access to it, and it's relatively dust free in that all the outlets are covered up. I've got to find something to sort that one out, but we'll work on that. Normally these things take a week or two to sort of think out how you're going to do it, but that one works okay with just a bit of broom handle. Just keeps the muck out, and these have all got the covered cases. Just need to do the branding all the way across, but that's it. Another hopefully successful little job. Starts to tidy the place up a bit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Look forward to seeing you next week, and we'll be on to something else to hopefully tidy this place up a bit. See you then. Bye.